Good morning students, welcome to mathematics class. Today we are going to study chapter 10 practical geometry. Practical geometry. Today's topic is construction of triangles. And in this exercise we are recalling the ideas on triangles and properties of the triangles. You know how triangles are classified based on sides and angles also. Is it okay? Then angles, that sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree, and another is that exterior angle is called sum of the interior opposite angle. Then sum of the any two sides are greater than the third side, and another thing is suppose that is right angle triangle, then the hypotenuse, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the legs, a square plus b square. These are the properties and of the triangle. You already know this. Next, then we can be drawn if any one of the sets of the measurements, then we will draw the triangle. It can be possible. Then suppose the three sides given, then it can be possible to draw the triangle. Suppose two sides given between one angle given, that is also possible. And if two sides given, two angles given, between that one side is given, that is also possible to construct a triangle. Then the hypotenuse or basis or anything is given, means that is also possible to construct a triangle. Now our topic is construction of the triangles when the length of the three sides given. Suppose the question is construct a triangle. Construct a triangle ABC, in which AB equal to AB means AB side equal to 5 cm, BC equal to 6 cm, and AC equal to 7 cm. It is then suppose given the question. Then how to construct a triangle? Here three sides given, so it is possible to construct a triangle. Then before construction of triangle, you have to draw a rough sketch. That is very important, needed this one. So three sides are will write A, B, C. So here 5 cm is there, it is 7 cm there. So A, B, C, we put the name of the vertices. Three sides are there, A, B, B, C and A, C. And you have to mention the lengths also. A, B is equal to 5 cm and B, C is equal to 6 cm and A, C is equal to 7 cm. It is given, whatever given you have to write in the rough sketch. Then you take your ruler and compass. So ruler take it, then you have measured 6 cm BC. First you take BC. How much is there? That is 6 cm. You have to measure here from the starting point. You put the 1 point, then again 6 cm you measure. And like that way doing, it is not 6 cm. You have to measure in your scale 6 cm. Then suppose it is 6 cm. Line segment BC. You have to write here 6 cm. Then from B, this B to A, what is the length of this AB? It is 5 cm. Then you take your compass, measure the radius of 5 cm. You measure from 0 onwards 5 cm you take and you measure like this way. Okay? Then from B, you put this point on the B, and here you draw one arc, 5 cm. Arc 1 you have to construct, draw. This is from B. Then A, see, from C to A, this line is 7 centimeter is there. Again you have to take your ruler and your compass and measure 7 centimeter. Where it is there you have to, this pin you keep on the C and draw 7 centimeter. So, with one arc you can draw the one arc on the arc of this. Then where these two arcs are intersecting, there one point you have to write. That is A. Do you understand what you have I have done? If three sides given means, what you will do? First you draw the one rough sketch and that sides you have to mention here, and according to that you have to draw the construction, the triangle. First BC you have taken, BC is 6 centimeter, and from B to A, this is 5 centimeter, the 5 centimeter arc you have drawn, and again C to A, this side is 7 centimeter, from C another arc you have drawn on the arc, before that arc. Where the two arcs are intersecting, that you will put the point, that is A. Now A, B, 2 points are you will add. These 2 points you will take with the help of scale, you will add these 2 points, A and B. Then next A and C also. See, these 2 points you will add with the help of the ruler, that is scale. So this is required construction. It is required triangle of 3 sides given. Like this here, you have to construct the triangle. Now, see, constructed triangle, there is 3 sides given, 3 sides has constructed this one. This is what criteria? Side, side, side criteria. This is side, side, side. 3 sides given. This is the criteria. Then this way you have to construct it, 3 sides given. Then another question is that constructing a triangle when the length of the 2 sides and the measure of the angle between them are given. Then how you construct a triangle? See, here 3 sides are there. First one, draw, construct a triangle. Now here 2 sides given and 1 angle between them given. How you construct a triangle? First you have to construct a rough sketch. What is the sketch? Construct a triangle PQR. PQR, one triangle have to construct. PQR. And PQ, given that PQ is equal to 3 centimeter, PQ is equal to 3 centimeter, and QR equal to 5.5 centimeter, and PQR, angle PQR means PQR, this angle is 60 degree. This is the question. Rough figure, first you have to draw, construct a sketch this, rough sketch. Then now take your scale, that is ruler. QR, first you take this one, QR 5.5. You will measure, keep the scale, 0 point you put the point, then 5.5 where it is in your scale, you will see I am doing like this way. It is, suppose it is 5.5. You will see in your scale and measure, according to that you have to do. It is 5.5 centimeter. Then here, in Q, it is 60 degrees there, and you have taken your compass and some radius you take and construct a 60 degree. How to construct you know? First you keep this on the Q point and take some radius and draw an arc like this here. Do you understand now? This is one arc you draw. Any radius you take, draw one arc. Then where these 2 lines are intersecting, there you put the point, and that point, the same measurement, that point you have draw another arc on the arc. Do you understand this one? First you draw one line segment, it is 5.5. Then in Q point you draw one 60 degree angle. How you will draw this 60 degree angle? You take your compass, take some radius, any your choice, that is any measurement you take the radius and draw one arc from the point Q, and where the arc and this line is intersecting, there one point came, that point you keep there and another arc you draw on the arc. Then these two arcs where it is intersecting, there one point came through these 2 points, the Q and this point, this 2 point and point, this you draw one line. It is not P, it is line is there. Then this is the 60 degree angle. Then another point is there, that is PQ line is 3 centimeter. Then you take your scale and your compass and you measure 3 centimeter. Then suppose this is 3 centimeter. Then you draw on this line. From Q you put the point here and draw 3 centimeter on the this here 3 point arc came and these 2 lines are intersecting in this point. This point you write the P. Now this P point and Q R point, these 2 points you will add. See how this is required PQR. This is 3 centimeter. Required construction of the triangle. It is with 2 sides between one angle. This much for today. Next class we will study some more numbers. Thank you.